Help float around first.
I know how that works.
Yeah. Click.
Yeah, with a turkey.
Pull.
I wish Matt was here. I know he'd enjoy it.
Yeah, he likes it. He'll come back.
Pull.
Good job.
Pull. Pull.
Actually, it might show up better today on the film. Or
Maybe.
on the video, because it's somewhat overcast. And the bright orange against, you know, might actually show up better.
Pull.
Did it feed?
Yeah. Pull.
Pretty cool, huh? Did they both eject?
Yeah. Fine. I don't know where, but they're fine.
I'll have to keep an eye out. Because it says it'll jam up like that until it's broken in.
Right.
Ready?
Pull. Pull.
Did it jam?
No. I just want to make sure
I forgot
get
to
two
watch. Oh, I see where they are.
I don't know.
Well, Dad, why don't you come sit down and I'll look for him in a minute with my real eyes.
Oh, they're way up there, Dad. They're way up there.
All right, we can't get those.
Nope. Pull. Pull.
Pretty cool little gun.
Yeah. Pull. Pull.
Did it jam?
No. I just kept it sitting right so it can load properly. Pull. Pull.
Keep in mind, that pattern's only about that big.
I know. Barrel's
pretty-
getting kind of warm though. I want to give her a rest.
Okay, because I don't want it to, when we start shooting the rest. Thing works so good.
All right.
Pull.
Way under that time.
That was a lot.
All right. Pull.
There we go.
Shooter, what you have in your magazines is what you have in your magazines. You're shooting black powder, continue loading, shoot it out.
Safety.
I did it wrong and it didn't load
Shooters,
around.
at this time, firearm safe, slide, bolt, lock to the rear, magazine out.
I always get
range.
makes me
At
so
this time, grab anything that needs to take
Good
down
job.
range. New targets, staplers.
Oh.
Once you've done that, step behind the yellow line.
Just a tad behind that time, not by much.
This thing is strong. All right.
Oh,
Good job.
As bad as the golf cart, bring your roller.
Here comes the sun.
yep.
It's going to start getting warmer now.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna take my hoodie off. I'm hot. Loaded fine. Oh,
Did okay?
yeah.
It said you need to put some hot loads, like 10 rounds through it. Costs a few bucks, but
Oh, oh.
wow. It's fast, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Steph, next time if I blow it up, just hit the button. Don't wait for me to say.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, for a 410, it's pretty quick.
Yeah, it is.
But all the reviews that I read online said that. They said it's a real fast shooting gun.
Oh.
There you go.
You in the back seat while I
Oh.
had my permit.
Sorry, my foot didn't move fast.
I can tell.
Looks like we got it broke in.
Yeah, you're welcome.
What's on the end of that shotgun? We're all guessing.
Cameras.
It's a GoPro.
Okay.
I'm a nerd. I can't help it.
Everybody was guessing, you know, is it an adjustable?
Oh. Tell you this, doesn't get anywhere near as warm without those hot loads.
Oh, yeah.
Barrel's still pretty cold.
Well, good. Hurry up. It's my turn.
Yeah, I want you to try that gun.
You want to try this one next?
I'm going to try all of
last
them,
two.
except for yours.
Oh.
Sorry.
That's all right.
I expected you.
I love that launcher, though. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, I want one.
Well. Are you having to hit it twice?
I think I hit it too fast. I'm not pushing all the way down.
You got to push down.
hot. I'm gonna let it. It's already really.
Well,
Okay,
then
give it a
grab
break
the
then.
20. Did you rack it?
Yeah, she did. There you
There
go.
you go. You figured it out. You
Getting
got
hot?
arm- Yeah. Yeah. All right. I think you figured it out.
Yeah, I just had to get comfortable with it.
How do you like it?
I like it. I like the heaviness of the other gun, but I still like it.
There's a. Did that come with the lead thing you put in the stock?
The what?
Did that come with the lead thing you put in the rear of the stock?
The lead thing.
The big lead pipe that goes in the rear?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Then it didn't come with it.
I didn't have to put anything in it.
Okay, then it didn't come with it.
The stock and everything was already. The only. Oh.
He hit it?
Oh.
Not that time.
Oh. Oh. I keep thinking I gotta cock it. I don't. Oh. Just figured out what this little button is for.
What's that?
Once you load it, you don't have to pull the trigger and close the bolt. Just push that down, and then it'll load.
Right. Or the big black button.
No, dude.
Well, I was pulling the trigger, and then cocking it. You don't have to, you just push that. All right, pull.
There you go.
Pull.
There you go.
And I wish we could turn this thing so they go this way.
Like higher up?
No, across instead of away.
Oh, yeah, no, we can't do that.
It'd be cool if we could.
Is there a place we can go that one day we could do that?
Not here. You have to come up by me on the state forest area.
Pull. Pull. Okay, this time, if I get the first one,
Just push it.
I want to try it.
It's been a while since you've done that.
I know. Oh,
He waited till the first one was on the ground.
oh.
Good job, Dad.
That's better.
Yeah.
Whoa!
You like that gun?
Kicks more than my 12 gauge does.
Do you like it?
It's all right.
He does.
See, that's not gas ejection, it's inertia. you feel the kick a little more than a gas one.
Shooters with eye and ear protection on. The range is now open.
Same
You may
thing again.
approach your
If I
range.
lost it, yep.
Commence firing.
Oh,
It spits them out pretty quick.
it does.
The
Faster
launcher.
than the ones that they provide.
No, the launcher.
Right, it's faster than the ones that they provide.
Oh, yeah, I think so. And the timing that's on it
Yep.
is right out of the box. I never touched it.
Yeah. Now, Steph, I'm going to try something a little fast, too. If I break both of them, launch a third one, I'm going to see if I can load around and shoot again.
Jeez.
Okay.
Pull.
No, you can't.
Dang. Nope.
Now, had I had the wrench and we could add a little elevation, I think you got a chance. It might be this high off the ground.
I think I can still do it. I screwed up with one thing. Instead of trying to bring my hand back and push the button, I tried to turn the gun over.
Oh,
I think I can do it. Pull. Safety. Pull. Oh, I got,
you got the
shot
round off. We're all gonna know we sat in the sun. You know?
Yeah. I put sunscreen on before I left the house.
Oh, I didn't. That's why I'm wearing my hat.
Oh wait, I forgot he had to load again.
Almost. Boy, I'm gonna have to put in another order for ammo.
Yeah, I know you are.
That's a sign of a good day's work.
Well, I got them in a crate, 250 rounds for both 20 gauge and yeah, just the 20 and 410.
Pull.
Dan, I really do think if we had the elevation set different,
I
I
agree.
probably could do it.
I think so.
I'm still determined to try one more time.
Okay, that's all you get, because we're not wasting all these clays, man.
Yeah, I don't care, but don't tell him.
Yeah.
Because at the end of it, when we're done, you know, if we haven't shot them all up, they don't keep well.
Yeah, I know.
So
We always give them
those
to somebody
guys.
else, yeah.
Pull.
Or we'll give them to the range.
Oh!
Almost.
I was so close on that one. Pull.
I want them to see my toy.
Oh, they'll see it in all the videos. You can see it now.
Oh, okay.
Pull.
Dusted those two.
Only do one this time because it's my last shell in this box.
Okay.
Pull.
Nice.
Yeah, that second one, it really came apart. Same thing.
Okay.
Pull. Nice job. Pull. Pull. I don't know. How do you like those headphones?
Good.
I like being able to mute the gun but still talk
Yeah.
without having to yell.
All set?
Yep.
All right. Pull.
Yeah. All
there we
right,
go.
Dan. Way to go. Yeah.
Broke it.
You only got 2 left.
3 left. There's 1 in there plus there.
Oh.
I've got enough for 1 more try.
Wow, we shot up 2 boxes. It's all right.
All right. Pull.
Yeah.
You got that down.